Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be starting a Ferrari that I have in shop. It's a brand new 488 GTB. I'm actually on my way right now to my buddy Velocity powder coating right now. He's going to actually be powder coating the rims to the Ferrari, which I have in back of the truck right now. So just dropped off the Ferrari rims with my boy Velocity. I'll tag his Instagram and everything. He does all the powder coating for me, but does amazing work. So next time you guys see the rims, they'll be gloss black. But yeah, we're gonna head out to the shop and start the Ferrari. Alright guys, so I just got back to the shop. We're going to go ahead and start the disassembly process right now on the Ferrari. Once it's fully disassembled and ready to go, I'll bring you guys back, and then from there we'll go ahead and start wrapping it, but let's get it. Alright guys, so I just got the Ferrari prepped and pretty much disassembled to where we're able to go ahead and start wrapping it. We will be starting off first with the hood, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the fender and then the door on our way back. We'll be focusing more on the passenger side today. Federico's actually going to go ahead and wrap up the driver's side. But you guys can see we got the mirrors, door handles off, the badge, front bumper, the buckets here because it's actually right here in the middle. This is where the lens cleaner, or it's like a windshield fluid wiper cleaner, whatever it is. But anyways, yeah, Ferrari's pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna cut out the hood and we're gonna go ahead and start laying the hood. Let's get it. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to day 2 on the Ferrari. So yesterday we left off with wrapping the hood, fender, and the door. Federico came in yesterday, took care of the driver door as well, both mirrors. As far as today, we're going to go ahead and throw the mirror back in real quick for the Ferrari for the passenger side. From there, we'll go ahead and move on with the rest of the car. All right guys, so I got the mirrors and the door handles all thrown back in, as you guys can see. So as far as the rear end, I actually ended up removing the rear bumper just because to remove the badge, it's actually held on by 2 bolts behind it. So that was kind of a pain in the ass and very unfortunate because I literally had to remove the bumper just to get to the badge. But anyways, we're actually going to go ahead and lay the rear bumper as well the front bumper right now. So I'm gonna set you guys up. From there, we're going to go ahead and knock out bumpers, and then we'll come back in the morning. And the only thing we'll have left is just the 2 side skirts, the roof, and the quarter panels. Alright guys, welcome back to day 3 on the Ferrari. So yesterday Federico left off with wrapping the rear bumper. I actually took off a little bit early. So he took care of the rear bumper. So now that the rear bumper is done, he's just going to go ahead and take care of the spoiler area. Just because the bumper sits really flush with the spoiler, so it's easier just to go ahead and wrap it while the bumper's off. So once the spoiler's finished, we'll go ahead and throw on the rear bumper. As far as the front bumper, me and Federico literally just threw it on right now. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get this all bolted up, and then by the time this is bolted up, we should be ready to go ahead and throw on the rear bumper. Alright guys, so welcome back to day 4 on the Ferrari. As you guys can see, we have the wheels back from powder coat. Shout out to my boys over at Velocity Powder Coating. Always take care of me. Super good work. No trash, nothing like that in the rims. Super happy with how they came out. Anyways, now that I'm here, Ferrari, as you guys can see, is fully finished, fully put back together. Pretty much all I have to do is just throw the rims back on. We'll go ahead and drop it. From there, we'll pull it outside and grab some photos of it. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. The Ferrari is fully finished, got the rims back on. Customer's going to pick up the car later on today about 8 o'clock. So I have to head out to LA right now. I have a Lamborghini Huracan to start, which yes, I will be recording for you guys. But yeah, just going to go ahead and get some quick montages for you guys. And yeah, let you guys go. Be sure to smash the thumbs up button for me, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.